ought to do it on the paperwork, but we'll need you back for depositions and so on, Duffy said. We appreciate you coming down. Our own people who are too well known couldn't take the chance that Turner might recognize
Holy
them.
fuck!
Anyway, don't none of us got that slick veneer. Smart, he's likable, he's good looking. He once played in a pretty fair country band, and he's got no conscience, none at all. He's got friends who'd kill you for the price of a moon pie. Some people think he's dead, but he's not. He's out there hiding and laughing at us. Yes, he is. Chapter 3.
Gosh.
Margaret Train nearly ran over Lucas as she trotted out of the federal building, a solidly built cop in a hurry. She grabbed his jacket lapels and said, "Jesus, Davenport!" At the same instant, Lucas